Following the termination of Colonel Kaka Frank Bajenda's term of office as ISO boss, human rights lawyer Nicholas Opio has called for an immediate legal action against Colonel Kaka.
Kaka should join his son in Luzira prison to answer for the grotesque murder, maiming and torture of Ugandans.
Opio accuses the former internal spy chief of overstepping his mandate and presiding over what he terms as a reign of terror.
The evidence is abundant. It's in parliament and some of it is in court.
For you to understand Museveni's appointments, you'll need to understand the conditions as they obtain in the country.
Just like Opio, opposition chief whip Ibrahim Ugandans believes the termination of the Kaka era at ISO was long overdue.
So Kaka has also committed many mistakes executing that particular job he was brought to do. So therefore, he had to go.
But secondly, and perhaps even more concerning, is that he presided over a reign of terror that in its wake left dozens, if not hundreds, of people maimed, killed, or disappeared.
Semuju and Opio assert to the fact that Colonel Kaka facilitated a bitter relation between ISO and other security operatives.
It went so far as CMI operatives raiding ISO detention facilities.
He also arrives when we have problems with Rwanda. Kayihura being accused of repatriating refugees. So Museveni needed a counterweight against Kayihura, and Kaka, they are colleagues with Kayihura. They were together. He's not going to look at him as a senior Ruwero, Bushwo. And that's why the conflict almost started in earnest. As soon as Kaka arrived, the conflict with Kayihura started immediately. According
to Semuju, the spate of murder and a strained relationship between Uganda and Rwanda credited his appointment in 2017.
Maybe, like Kayanja, who knows these things of robbery, maybe Kaka also knows these things of killing people.
Legal pundit Nicholas Opio says the case may attract the international justice system if the government of Uganda doesn't respond.
Because it is America's taxpayers' money that is being used to run Uganda's intelligence.
Efforts to get a comment from Colonel Kaka Bajenda were futile as his known mobile number could not be reached.
Once we get to a point where we have people who are courageous enough to stand up and seek justice, we will go after Kaka.
Daniel Lutaya, Kayonga Paul, NBS, Live at 9.